temele njuba. Ainza temele njuba. Mumazima amatuufu konvoyi wamma ojja kwebuuza nti erimu emmotoka mmeka kakati okusinziira nno ku mawulire gano gafuumira ate mu yavayo n'ategeeza nti State House eyina emmotoka ezisoba mu 6 kati ezimu za woofiisi ey'omukulembeze w'eggwanga endala za
عقاب سلام كل الله تبايل إذا عقاب سلام زح مش تعمد غير زمريتنا حمش تعمد انتاي تماهرنا من البات عقاب سلام يدلني يرودو أي نبران إلكا نبا كراخار رسو تعطي تغلينها كونه مسرت وعلم عقاب سلام كل الله تبايل أويتتنا حمش تعمدات قال شجرات كديف كمالتي حمشت شغون وتهدرات هكونون يوم نيرم نعمت باجتهم كل 100 مليون دولار نيرو يكادو مزومن قال استفلا لي والغلطاتن ኣብ ውሽጢ 5 ዓመታት $1 ቢልዮን ተኸፊሉሎም ኣብ ትሕቲ ጽላል ናይ ሕቡራት ሃገራት ኣብቲ 5 ዓመታት ዝረኣናዮ
convoy nenga yek ofisiye yenga
ክሳብ 25-27 ሽሕ ሰራዊት ኣሎ ሰላም ኣምጽኡ
of the Security Council to discuss this very important topic. Secondly, it is clear that the possession of nuclear weapons is the main cause of other countries wanting to acquire nuclear weapons. It is not logical to say that a few of us should possess nuclear weapons and others should not. I want to inform this Security Council that Africa is interested not in nuclear weapons, but in nuclear energy.
Excellency Yoweri Museveni, the President of Uganda. Your Excellency, over to you.
What is the biggest misunderstanding or misperception that the rest of the world has about Eritrea, do you think?
Majority of the rest of the world have the right perception. A minority in what you can call the rest of the world may have the wrong perception about Eritrea. You may want to talk about the United States and this and that, but if you tell me what the administration says or tries to see is what is right in the world, I will ask you, what about the American people? Do they see it in the eyes of the administration? Do they see it always in the eyes of the administration? And do you take that as the rest of the world? Who is the rest of the world in the first place?
If you were to try to explain Eritrea, which is a new country and a lot of people are not familiar with it, is there something that you'd like to clarify to the world that to correct what they might have a misunderstanding or misimpression they might have about Eritrea?
Who is the world? That's the problem, and because sometimes people or some governments think they are the world.
We can cooperate in economic development because there is big potential, and we have already started. I thank you very much for the laboratory, and I thank you for the scholarships. Even in the past, we have had many of our students studying here. But now, we propose new areas, like for instance, the area of refinery and exploration for petroleum products. We've got some little oil which we want to export as crude, but also refine for the East African market.
When people talk about Russia, Ukraine, I say there is no Russia-Ukraine war at all. There is no Russia-Ukraine conflict. This is war declared by NATO on Russia. The war declared by NATO on Russia is not only for Russia, it's for dominating the whole world. It's for hegemony. This is an agenda developed after the end of the Cold War. They came up with this fantasy about containing Russia, containing any power, small, big, that challenge them technologically, economically, socially, culturally. They have to contain everybody. To me, this failure of the attempt to contain Russia will immediately move to the east. Containing China is their next agenda. They may be playing a very deceptive tactic and trying to tell everyone, oh no, we have to work with China, we have to do this and that. Their miscalculation about China has proved to be wrong. They felt probably they have the technology, they have everything. The Chinese can only copy, they will never equal them. So they will contain Russia but make friendship with China and continue taking advantage of that so that containing Russia will be easier for them to do. Now China is out of control. Containing China from Taiwan, from India, from Japan, from South Korea, from Australia. How do they do it? How will they do it?
Then we have got the pipeline to the ocean for the crude oil, in which we are involved with Total, the French company, and some Chinese companies. But Russian companies can also come in and invest in that East African crude pipeline because it can pour the oil of not only Uganda, but even South Sudan and Congo, Kinshasa. We have also agreed with the Russian groups on building a nuclear power station for generating electricity. And that one is going on, and I'm very happy with that. Then we have fertilizers, very big potential for phosphates and for potassium and also for ammonia. And I would want to invite Russian companies to if they can, to take part in that.